decide for yourself, my employee of the month. Oh, hello, friend. I cannot pick up the phone. I will call you back sometime. Yes?
You gotta watch out, fool.
It's just because you have a massive gaper, bitch.
Fucking homo, you're dead. Dad! He said I had a massive... Jimmy called me a bitch!
Tried to knife attack me? No one creeps on the J-Dog, my niggas.
Thank you, Coach.
That's a 9mm semi-automatic pushed against your skull. Don't look around. You just keep driving where you're going.
Hey, come on, man. This was a repo job. Guy was behind on the fucking note.
Unlikely, considering my son just got the car. And looking at the way you're going about this, my guess, you're working a credit fraud.
A credit fraud? Be serious, dude. I just worked the fucking repo.
Hey!
I just worked the fucking repo.
I appreciate a kid who follows orders without taking responsibility. Yeah, maybe one day we'll have a beer, and I'll explain how the world really works. Who gives you the slip?
A car dealer, dog, by the name of Simeon Yeteri.
So this businessman, he look legit to you?
Look, man, it's just between him and your fucking son.
Don't worry. Easy. Me and Mr. Yetarian. We'll work this out. At the place?
Yeah, this the place.
Come on, kid.
Damn! Franklin! What the fuck are you doing? Mr. Samuel, it's not exactly how it looks.
I always trump big for a job well done. Get out of here, kid.
You motherfucker!
You think you could take me for a ride? You think you could take my family for a ride? You think you could take my family for a ride? You're scum. I ain't. Bottom feeder. You recognize this car? Huh? Does it look like it's worth $5 grand a month to you?
You fucking racist!
I'll tell you something. This thing's gonna need some serious body work for it's worth $5 grand a month.
I agree to financing. I have his signature.
Yeah, they agreed to have some punk break into my fucking house.
I have gone to...
That kid might be a fucking idiot, but you are a fraudulent scumbag piece of shit. Ugh.